If you're thinking about using Omnisend, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know before committing to it. With so many marketing automation tools out there, like MailChimp and Klaviyo, it's crucial to make an informed choice. And today, we're going to help you do just that. Stick around till the end, because I'll be sharing some insights on how Omnisend compares to its competitors and how you can get started with it for free. First off, Omnisend is an e-commerce focused marketing automation platform. Unlike general tools like MailChimp, which cater to a wider range of businesses, Omnisend zeroes in on helping e-commerce businesses drive sales and growth through email, SMS, and other channels. What stands out here is its seamless integration with popular platforms like Shopify, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce, which makes it easier to sync your store and start building automated workflows right away. Next thing to note is Omnisend's ease of use. If you're new to marketing automation, you'll find Omnisend relatively simple to navigate. It doesn't overwhelm you with endless options like some competitors do. The drag and drop email builder is user-friendly, and its automation workflows are straightforward to set up. Compared to platforms like Klaviyo, which offer powerful features but with a steeper learning curve, Omnisend provides a much more accessible experience for beginners. The third thing you should know is the pricing structure. Omnisend offers a free plan that includes up to 250 emails per month, which is great for small businesses or those just starting out. However, once you need to scale up, the paid plans can get a bit pricey, especially compared to some competitors like Omnisend or MailChimp, which offer more generous free plans. Still, for the level of features Omnisend provides, the pricing is competitive, especially considering its e-commerce focus. The fourth thing to keep in mind is the integration options. Omnisend shines in its e-commerce integrations, whether it's syncing with Shopify or connecting to your CRM. It's designed to make sure you're not stuck manually importing contacts or orders. This makes it a smoother experience for e-commerce businesses. Compared to general tools like ActiveCampaign, which have integrations but aren't as tailored to e-commerce, Omnisend gives you that edge in automation and customization. Next, let's talk about customer support. One of the standout features of Omnisend is its customer service. If you ever run into a problem, Omnisend's support team is available 24/7 via live chat, and they're incredibly responsive. This level of support is a huge plus, especially when you compare it to other tools, where support can sometimes feel slow or lacking. They also have an extensive knowledge base and tutorials to guide you through every feature. Now, the sixth thing to consider is how Omnisend handles SMS marketing. Omnisend allows you to send both email and SMS from the same platform, which is a major convenience. SMS can often get lost in other platforms, but here it's tightly integrated, so you can automate SMS campaigns just as you would with emails. This is something that MailChimp and other competitors have only recently started offering, but Omnisend has been doing it for a while and does it really well. Finally, let's talk about the results. Omnisend's features, like advanced segmentation and automated product recommendations, can help you drive significant results, especially when it comes to abandoned cart recovery and post-purchase messaging. Its ability to target customers based on browsing behavior and purchase history is robust, and many e-commerce brands see an increase in conversions after implementing Omnisend's automation. While other tools may offer similar features, Omnisend's combination of ease of use, integrations, and advanced targeting gives it a slight edge, especially for those focused on online sales. If you want to dive deeper and try Omnisend for yourself, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial for the software. You'll even get some exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. So, don't miss out on the opportunity to get started today with a tool designed to scale with your e-commerce business.